In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make perfectly cooked strip steaks. I'm talking edge-to-edge perfection that can be done with the sous vide cooking method. I got one of these sous vide sticks for Christmas, and I'm about to use it for the first time. Welcome to Cooking with Chris, the YouTube channel where I show you some of my favorite recipes, give out tips on how to be a better cook, and just celebrate good food. Subscribe now and click the bell so you don't miss out on future recipes. Let's cook. So you just clamp this to a deep pot, plug it in, fill it with water, set the time and temp for the food you're going to prepare, and there are plenty of guides online for times and temperatures for different foods. I'm going with 2 hours at 132 degrees for my steaks, slightly higher than medium rare. Set it and let it get to temperature. Salt, pepper, garlic powder on both sides, thyme and rosemary is what I used. And you can use BPA-free Ziploc bags, but I decided to buy a kit that comes with bags, clips, a hand pump. I think it was like $23 on Amazon. Make sure the steaks are underwater. You don't want to interfere with the pump either, so the clips are handy to keep everything away. 2 hours later, take the steaks out of the bags, pat them dry, and get ready to sear them. A pan, high heat, a tiny bit of oil, and sear each side for maybe 45 seconds. Don't forget to sear the side with the fat on it too. Oh, and you might set off a smoke alarm. You do want that pan really hot. My side today is asparagus. I just added a little butter to the bags. 14 minutes at 185 degrees is what I went with. Oh, and to reach higher temperatures and keep them there, you need to cover the pot. Foil worked just fine. Now the steaks turned out great. Next time I actually might go with like 135 to see how they are. That's the best thing with sous vide. You can find out exactly how you like your steaks cooked. Just need to experiment. The asparagus, by the way, were perfect. A tiny little bite to them. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chris. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. More recipes coming soon.